In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images reflect in Fotor. Open your browser and head to Fotor.com. On the homepage, look for the AI photo editor and open it. This takes you into the editing workspace where we'll build the mirror effect. Start by bringing in your base photo. Click Upload Image and select the picture you want to appear as the main scene. Once it loads onto the canvas, give yourself a moment to check the framing and zoom level so you can position things precisely in the next steps. Now you'll create the reflection as a separate layer. Choose Add Layer, then Add Image Layer. Pick the image you want to reflect. Most of the time it's the same file you just added, but it can also be another related image if that suits your design. It will appear as a new layer above the background in the canvas in the Layers panel. With the reflection layer selected, open Transparency. Lower the opacity to soften the layer so it doesn't compete with the original. Set it to a level that feels believable for a reflection. You can fine-tune this at any time as you adjust the placement. Next, open Rotate and Flip and choose Flip Horizontal. This mirrors the layer, giving you that left-to-right reflection look. If you're aiming for a side-by-side mirror effect, this is the key move that reverses the subject. Use the corner handles to resize the reflected layer so its proportions make sense relative to the main image. Subtle scaling goes a long way. Keep an eye on perspective so the reflection looks intentional rather than stretched. Finally, drag the mirrored layer into position beside your background image. Align edges or key features until the two images sit naturally next to each other. Look for any spacing that feels off and nudge the layer until it clicks into place. If the reflection feels too bold or too faint at this point, revisit the transparency slider and make small adjustments. If you find it tricky to line things up, zoom in for precision and use your keyboard's arrow keys for tiny movements. Let Fotor's snapping guides help the edges meet cleanly, and try matching strong lines, like horizons or building edges, between both layers. Reflections generally appear a little dimmer than the source, so a modest opacity reduction often looks most natural. That's it, the mirror effect is in place. Give your work a quick review. Check alignment, scale, and the softness of the reflected layer. When it all looks cohesive, you're done. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating reflective images with Fotor.